port on a western bay, and it served 100 ships a day. All the sailors passed the time away, talked about their home. Well, there's a girl in this harbor town, and she works laying whiskey down. They say, Brandy, fetch another round. She serves them whiskey and wine. The sailors say, Brandy, you're a fine girl. What a good wife you would be. Your eyes would steal a sailor from the sea. Brandy wears a braided chain made of finest silver from the north of Spain. The locket that bears the name of a man that Brandy loved. He came on a summer's day, bringing gifts from far away, but he made it clear he couldn't stay. No harbor was his home. The sailors say, Brandy, what a fine girl, what a good wife you would be. My life, my love, my lady is the sea. Now Brandy used to watch his eyes. He told his sailor story. She could feel the ocean fall and rise. She saw his rage and glory, but he had always told the truth. Lord, he was an honest man. Brandy does her best to understand. At night, when the bars close down, Brandy walks through a silent town. Loves a man who's not around, still can't hear him say. She hears him